and very good morning. My name is Karina binti Muhammad Hafiz. I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan Sungai Soi, Kuantan. My school code is CBA 4104. I am 10 years old. My hobby is reading and I have read a lot of storybooks since I was in kindergarten. Today I'm going to tell you about the book that I just read. The title of the book is Diary of a Wimpy Kid Cabin Fever. This book consists of 224 pages. The author of this book name is Jeff Kinney. When Greg's mom was pregnant with Manny, his mom wanted Greg to get ready for having a baby brother. So his mom got him a doll. At first, he didn't want to do anything with the doll. Then he realized he had to admit that he was really attached to the doll. One day when he was back from school, he couldn't find Alfredo anywhere. He searched the house from top to the bottom, but there was no trace of him. The only he can think about is he dropped Alfredo at some point and somehow didn't notice. He was pretty torn up about losing his doll, but what made him really worried, he couldn't be trusted around his new brother. Then he got a marker and a grapefruit out of the fridge and drew a face on it. Next, he wrapped the grapefruit in a dish towel, and for the next 3 months, he pretended it was his doll. He's actually got attached to the grapefruit, but once it started to rot, Greg's dad traced the weird smell to his Alfredo decoy. His mom didn't seem too upset, but he will say that his mom will never leave him alone with Manny for more than 15 minutes. It was nice to have something that we can take care of, and he missed that feeling ever since. These days, Greg has been playing a lot of time a game called Net Critters. In fact, he has been playing the game every second free time he gets. The basic idea is that you have to feed your pet and keep it happy. And if you keep it happy, if your pet is happy, you can get tokens to buy clothes and furniture. Greg plays so much that his pet Chihuahua has a mansion with an indoor swimming pool, a bowling alley, and about 115 different outfits. The only thing he is not happy is his nickname. His mom is the one who set up his account, and he does not know how to change the name she has registered with. His pet nickname is Gregory Little Pets. How cute is that name? Greg's mom has said that he has taken a good care of his virtual pet himself. Over the weekend, Greg has been playing for 6 hours straight without even getting break to the bathroom. But if you don't keep getting your new pet stuff, it started to look unhappy, and that's really stressed him out. The problem is you can only get a certain number. After that, you have to use your real money. Greg doesn't have his own credit card. He didn't ask his mom and dad for money. On Wednesday, it snowed so bad. While the other kids enjoying their day off from school, he was pounding on the pavement looking for work. Greg knocks every door trying to earn some money, but he's thought that most people at work, so it took him a while to find a door that answered. From this story, we can conclude that we must take a good care of our own stuff. Hence, it doesn't break or lose. Besides that, we must work hard to get a better result. No pain, no gain. That's the end of my story. Assalamualaikum and thank you.